Hey, what's up y'all, it's Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my homemade iced tea. Now the great thing about this recipe is that you could make it with regular sugar or sugar-free. So let's get started with the ingredients. So first things first, you're going to need some Lipton iced tea bags, or if you have any favorite brand of tea bags, you could use that. Okay, this is the family size tea bags. I never seen tea bags of this size. The ones that I always used to use was the little itty bitty ones, the ones that you used to put in the little coffee mug. Yeah, those. But I never seen any bags of this size. I ain't made tea in so long, so anyways. And along with that, you're gonna need some sugar, Domino sugar, or whatever kind of sugar you want to use. And if you want to make your tea sugar free, this is the sugar to use right here. Splenda. I'm telling you, put that Splenda in that iced tea. Good. Alright, and along with that, you're going to need 1 to 2 large lemons. And of course, you're going to need some ice, about 2 quarts of ice. And you're going to need a pitcher. Now, this is a 3.8 quart pitcher. It's close to 4 quarts a gallon. And this is a plastic pitcher. You don't want to use glass because with the ice, and then you add the hot liquid to it, the glass might break. So you might want to use plastic. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. So in the medium-sized pot, we're going to add 2 quarts of water. And we're going to let this come to a simmer. Alright, our water is at a simmer. Now we're going to go ahead and add 6 of these tea bags, Lipton tea bags in there. That's 2, 4, and 6. How much is there? Alright, I just turned my fire off. And I'm gonna let the tea bag sit in there for about 8 minutes. All right, now while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and cut 1 lemon in half. Now, if you like a lot of lemon in your tea, you could use 2, but for me, I'm gonna just use 1. All right, y'all. So in this plastic pitcher here, this is a 3.8 quart pitcher. I have 2 pounds of ice. Okay, that's 2 pounds by weight of ice in here. And to that, we're going to add 3 1/4 cups of sugar. I don't know about y'all, but I like a lot of sugar in my tea. I don't like unsweetened sweet tea. If y'all don't know what that is, that's tea that's supposed to be sweet, but it ain't. Now, if you're using the Splenda, you're going to add 3 1/4 cups of the Splenda in there, okay? And you can always adjust the sugar to your liking for the recipe. It don't have to be 3 1/4 cups of sugar. You could add however much sugar you want to use, but for me, I like sweet tea. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little mesh strainer on top, and we're gonna squeeze 1 lemon. All right, y'all, it's been about 8 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these tea bags out of here. Just press them down in the bowl to release. Let's see. There we go. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little tea and we're just gonna pour it into the pitcher. It's the last little bit of it. Now I'm gonna take my little spoon here. Just gonna give this a quick stir. And the rest of that ice is gonna melt in there, so you gotta worry about that too much. All right, y'all, and from there, our iced tea is ready to be served. Now, I want to let y'all know a couple things. Now, we did add a lot of sugar to this, but what's going to happen is when that ice melts, it's going to pretty much cut that sugar down. So it's not going to taste super, super sweet, okay? And it also, the strength of the tea won't be as strong either. Remember, we added a lot of tea bags in there, but still, the ice cuts down on the sweetness and a little bit of the flavor of the tea without getting rid of it all. All right, to serve this here, I have some ice in this glass here. Just gonna take the tea and just pour it in there. And as a little special garnish here, I have a little slice of lemon. I kind of cut it a little bit right here. And just put it like that. And there you have it. Go ahead and have a taste of this. That iced tea was really good, refreshing and delicious. Anyways, if you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including the iced tea recipe. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie Cook Andrews. Well, that's about it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and until next time, have a good one. Peace.